Hello, beautiful people. This is Ritura Sandil, and I welcome you all to this another video training where I am going to talk about the five best growth trigger tools that are going to help your business that your business needs. Talking about growth tools are going to drive more traffic to your business. More traffic means more leads, and more leads means more conversion at the end, right? So let's get right into it. So, what's in our today's agenda? Here we will learn first one, understand the growth tools. Second, top 5 growth tools. Of course, with free and paid ads, what are the growth tools we can use for free and the paid ones also. And fourth and the last one, what to use if you are just getting started. What are the growth tools which you will be using if you are just a beginner? And in the end you will get a clear clarity. The result you will get is with which growth tool is the best for your campaign, which growth tool is working best for your business. You will get this clarity in the end. So who is this training for? If you are an agency owner, then this training is for you. Of course, if you are a coach, consultant, author who wants more traffic to their coaching, then this training is for you. How can we leave the online businesses who have product or services to sell? And of course, the affiliate marketers, this training is for you. And the most important, if you are doing social media marketing, you can use growth trigger to improvise your content and to grow your reach. Okay, moving ahead, understanding the growth tool. So tools which helps you to drive the traffic to subscribe and engage with your chatbot. That is called a growth tool. And to make sure to have a good balance of these growth tools that make the most sense for your business and goals. Make sure the growth tool which you are using is making sense for your business, is making sense for your business goals. And I will share the growth tools in a couple of minutes, but you need to make sure that the growth tool which you are using is generating revenue for you, is generating revenue for your business. Okay, so top 5 growth tools. These are the top 5 growth tools. First one, ref url. Second, cgt tool, that is comment growth trigger tool. Third one, dm or keyword trigger tool. Fourth one, exit intent takeover. And fifth one is messenger ads to scale. There are almost 15 plus growth tools in the messenger chatbot, but these five are going to help you to grow your business, to scale your business. Okay, so starting off with the ref url tool. It's the entry point with which people will enter into your chatbot. It's the most used ref url people use to drive traffic to their chatbot. And second, that is comment growth trigger tool. This helps you to find that which time is working best for your campaign. And second, that which keywords are giving the best engagement. The keywords which you are using, which keywords are working best for your campaign. These two things you can get from the comment growth trigger tool. Third one is DM keywords trigger, almost same as comment growth trigger tool, but it's a little different that if people are sending you a particular keyword related to what you have shared, then the automation will trigger automatically. And of course, the fourth one is exit intent takeover. It means if people are about to close the tab of your website, okay, then this will just appear and you can show there your exclusive bonus or what they will miss or what the resources they will get. And fifth one is of course messenger ads to a scale. We will run the paid ads, messenger ads, so that we can scale the revenue which we have set in the beginning. To achieve that goal, we will run the messenger ads. So here we are with free and paid ads, which tools we can use. First one is comment growth trigger tool. It's free also and paid also. So you can set the certain keywords and the automation will trigger automatically. Again, with comment growth trigger tool, you will know. Again, I'm repeating. First one, which time is working best for your campaign. Okay. Second, that which keywords are getting more engagement. These two things you will understand from the comment growth trigger tool. Second, ref with stories. If you are posting stories, then you can use the ref url. Once people will click on that url, they will enter into your chatbot. It's also and paid. Of course, visualization or keyword trigger, it's paid, and you can drive direct traffic from visualization and keyword trigger to your chatbot. And of course, the QR code, it's basically for the offline businesses who are getting more footfall in on their business. Okay, if they are getting more people, they are visiting their store or their restaurant or some malls, then you can use the QR code. If people scan the QR code, they will get more extra discounts or promo code or some benefit for the festive season sale. Okay, use these tools effectively because one single mistake can drop your conversion, and businesses are in the long run for profit, not for losses. So make sure that tools which you are using are going to increase your conversion, is going to help you to achieve your business goals. Next one is what to use if you are just getting started. If you are a beginner, then you need to use ref url with payloads. Second, comment growth trigger tools, and the third one, paid ads. Now the tools which you are using here is going to help you to generate more revenue in a quick succession of time. Talking about ref url with payloads, it will help you to understand that which traffic source is working best for you. Second, comment growth trigger tool, I have just explained, but I want to explain it once again so that you will not forget that comment growth trigger tool helps you to find that which which time is working best for your campaign. Second, which keyword is getting the more engagement. Okay, with the keyword which you have set, so that your automation is going to trigger, then you will understand that which keyword is working best for your campaign. And the third one is paid ads to a scale, to reach your goal, to reach your business goal very easily and fast. Okay, moving ahead, my question to you is here. So which growth tool are you using for your online business? Please let me know in the comment section down below, or are you planning to use one? Please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you have any queries, then you can definitely ask me. And if you are enjoying this content and this whole process, and if you want to learn more about chatbots and their growth tools and more trainings, then do subscribe my channel. And if you want me to cover something more in the upcoming training, then you can go ahead and comment down, and I will definitely create a separate training for you guys. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for joining. I do believe you must have enjoyed this training. So see you in the next video and have the day you deserve. Bye bye.